Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. So today I want to teach you a very nice passing chord that goes from your 3 to 6. It goes like this. We give you all. So something like that. We give you all. But now today we're gonna do we're gonna do something like we give you all. So also I'm gonna play something like this. We give you all. So I'm going to show you those chords now. But before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. You need to get that. It's just 7,500 naira for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people abroad. You need to get that very fast to learn a lot of stuff from that. So the link to get it is on the description of this video, and also you can check the about page of this channel to see my seller store link. Click it, you'll be able to get it there. And if you have any issues, you can just chat me on WhatsApp. My number is on the home page of this channel. So we give you all goes the melody line goes we give you all solatido, right? So but you will play your 1 on 3. So on 3 you have a E on the left. I'm in the key of C. So you have your 3 on your right hand, you have your C major on the left, on the right hand, sorry. E on the left, C major on the right. So we, there you do. Give you. So what is that? C diminished 7 chord, drop 2. If you don't know drop 2, chat me up on type it on the comment section. I will reply you. Right. So, but all that is also in the course I asked you to buy. So then you go to E flat diminished 7th, diminished 7th. You do the drop 2 also. Then you go to D diminished 7th chord. You do the drop 2. Then you go to F diminished 7 chord. You do the drop 2. This is F, A flat, B, and D. You do the drop 2. Then to your 6th chord, which is a 6, 3, 1 on the left, 3, 6, 1 on the right. So together it goes we give you all you can do is that I do your 4 with your 6 and 1, or 6, 3, and 1. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel to learn more and get my intermediate piano course, like I said, to learn a lot of stuff. Right? God bless you.